Yes, y'all been wanting to film this video for a long time. I've had this idea for quite some time. I love it. And this is literally what I plan to wear for Thanksgiving. So I'm excited and I'm happy that it came out so fire. Hello babes, and welcome back to my channel. It is December 1st, which means that it is the very first day of Vlogmas. Yes, I'm going to be trying this Vlogmas thing. I'm going to be trying to post as much content as possible, give you guys a little bit more personal side, some other videos outside of hair, so I hope you enjoy it. Today we're going to be doing, of course, a quick weave. I haven't been able to do a quick weave in a minute. This one is different from the one that I did last year. But this one I'm actually going to be using Got To Be as my barrier. Yes, you can use Got To Be. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you take it with you. And yeah, let's get right into it. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps me. Comment below. Share this video. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And I will let you guys get right on to it. All of this time you had me. All of this time you had me for. No spray on the leave out, and then you don't have to spray this part, which is your edges that's already been molded, because we don't put tracks on our edges. So let's get into it. On to the second bundle already. That's how fast we're getting this done. I did that in literally 10 minutes. I do quick weaves all the time, so I should be quicker. I do quick weaves all the time at work. So now I'm gonna add my blonde pieces. Be right back. If Mama doing her hair already. So this is how those little pieces that I lightened came out. This one is what I used, the 7A, which is an ash blonde by Piranha. And then one of them I just kept regular. I didn't even apply any color to it. So this is what it looked like without any color when I lightened it twice. So this one is slightly lighter. So I love pretty much the 3 tones. and it turns really fast. So don't leave it on for a long time if you're not trying to go for a really dark ash look. I honestly wasn't, but I actually like the way it looked. So if you're gonna use 7A, you're not gonna need to use a lot, and you literally need to let it sit on there for like 20 seconds, honestly, 20-30 seconds.
All of this time you had me. All of this time you had me falling. All of the sun, you had me falling.
So there you have it, y'all. I am feeling this. I feel like myself again, y'all. Like, I have not had a quick weave. I haven't done like my hair fully, like extensions wise, in literally almost 2 months. So I've been rocking the half wigs, taking care of my hair. I've been wearing the clip-ins and doing these quick styles and easy styles. But I hope that this video helps you. I hope that you take what I have taught you, what I've told you, and of course put it to your own personal use. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Comment below. Please comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram. My new page is Tatiana Simone. That's my personal page. My hair page is Transformed by Tati. The hair that I am wearing is from my collection that will be launching very soon. But I hope you enjoy this video. And yes, be sure to press that notification bell so that you know when I post all of my new videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I always say welcome to my channel. Thank you for choosing to follow along with me. So yes, I will see you all in my next video. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm about to go eat because it's literally Thanksgiving right now. It's late. We had a whole bunch going on. So the food is finally done, y'all. It's like 8:20. Yes, I know. We had some hiccups, y'all. The dressing went bad. The turkey went bad too. So instead of turkey, my mom just made some chicken and she just redid the dressing. Everything is ready to go. The macaroni and cheese, the greens, the dressing, the potato salad, cranberry sauce, everything. So I have filmed so much for y'all. I hope y'all like these videos that I'm about to post on this page because I filmed a lot today for y'all. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you're safe. I hope you have a great, happy holidays, and I will see you all in my next video. Peace.